welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be adding sand into slime. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be adding sand into this slime. This is the sand. So let's get started. Ignore this is a tripod, but yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna open up the sand. Ow, that hurt. Okay, so I got the slime. Now let's add some of the sand. Wow. I don't know how much to add, so I'm just gonna add that much to start off with because I've added kinetic sand in the slime before, you guys, but I've never added sanded. So yeah. Ooh, actually kind of feels really good. I saw on a Peachy Babies video that you need to add more sand than you think you do. So I'm gonna try that, but yeah. But this is actually feels super good. See you guys in a second. Guys, I am back, so now I'm gonna add some more sand into the slime. Just add some. Okay. Ooh, that feels weird. Feels like, cause like slime is like really like stretchy, but like this like makes it feel dry, but like in a good way. So it doesn't make it feel bad, but like whenever you're mixing it in, it feels dry. Whoa. It looks just like sand. Okay. Yes. Makes good pops. Okay, I'm gonna mix some more. Whoops. I don't know if that was too much or too little. We'll find out though. Ooh. Uh-oh. I didn't even know that would. Oh, slime is singing me everywhere. I didn't know that would happen. Okay. I'll pick that up real quick. Okay, you guys. This is feeling super nice. It feels like really smooth, I guess you could say. And it's like really good texture. I really like it. And I just pick up all of this stuff. Woo! This slime is so good. I think I'm gonna add some more sand though, just a little bit more, I think, you guys. Okay. There we go. Now let's mix it in. Oops. Okay. Ignore my umbrella in the background. Ooh, this is feeling super nice. It's feeling like sand. Like before, I could still feel mainly, but now I'm like feeling sand, but you can stretch it. Ooh, this is such good slime. Should I put like all the sand in it? But I don't want to ruin it, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna add some more. Oops, I did actually not mean to add that much. I'm gonna grab some of it and put it back into the container. Okay. Oops. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is still super stretchy. You would think it would be stiff at this point, but it's still super stretched. Bro, they should sell like sand slime in stores. I don't know why they don't. I would buy some. Because I've added kinetic sand in the slime and it was amazing. I loved it so much. But the sand is also really good. I still like kinetic sand better in it, but this is still super nice. Hang on, you guys. I'm trying to clean up the area. But wow. This is super nice. I actually so much like this slime like a lot. This slime is so good. Some nice ASMR. It just smells really gross because this sand doesn't smell good. So I might have to set over it, but yeah. It's super nice. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. And if you have some slime that you don't mind changing the color and texture to, and you have some sand, I would definitely try this out. It feels super good, and it looks super cool too. It looks like sand. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. Bye guys.